venture between the Sena UBT and the MNS. This alliance suffered a complete defeat in the elections to the BEST, Employees Cooperative Credit Society Limited, losing all 21 seats that were up for grabs. Now, this is not just about a small cooperative society's polls. This was a test and the first test of the Thackeray brand after the coming together of the cousins. Now, you saw how they came together. This also sparked, speculation in all political circles, but the first test in itself, a small cooperative society poll, in that itself, the Thackeray brand suffered a crushing defeat. The BJP is mocking the cousins. Today, there was an interesting development. After these results, it was Raj Thackeray who went ahead and met Devendra Fadnavis. What's going to happen next? We'll tell you all about it. But first up, viewers, let's also go across to our reporters who are joining us live to analyze what exactly is happening. So, again, it is Devendra Fadnavis who's mocking the so-called Thackeray brand. He goes on to accuse the Sena UBT and the MNS of politicizing these cooperative polls, making a remark that the Thackeray brand has now turned into zero. Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, is also taking a jibe. He is pointing out that the polls were conducted via ballot paper and not EVMs. And even in that, they've seen a defeat. This is a rebuttal that is coming into the claims that are constantly made by the INDIA bloc, claiming that EVMs are rigged. So Eknath Shinde is also mocking both Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, saying that unke brand, and these are his words, unke brand ka band baj gaya hai. So this is the first time that the cousins came together after they reunited after years. A small cooperative society polls. This was the test of them and the brand. And even after that, they suffered a defeat. Rucha, my colleague, is with us, and she's going to take us through what exactly, the ramifications of this small cooperative society poll indicates. Rucha, if you're with us, could you also tell us about, for audiences, for a pan-India audience, for those who are not very well-versed with the nitty-gritties of, these polls, what is the larger implication, and put it into context? What do these polls indicate?
Well, even if the polls were only about 21 seats, it is very important for these elections who wins this, because whoever has hold on the best credit society has directly a hold on the unions that work for BMC and who work for the entire Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's unions. Now it is established that the yesterday's polls have cleared that Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, no matter how the efforts the both brothers took, they have completely failed to even win a single seat in this election. And previously, on this particular society, the credit society, Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena had hold of about 9 years. They were ruling this society, and now they have lost all the seats, and the 21 seats are completely won by Shashank Rao as well as BJP and Shiv Sena, which is led by Eknath Shinde. Now, the very next day, after the polls were announced, Raj Thackeray has met Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. It is extremely important to note how today's meet comes at a timing when the polls were declared yesterday, and the very next day this meeting is happening. Until now, there were no official comments on whether Raj Thackeray is going to form a political union with Uddhav Thackeray for the municipal corporation elections.
But Devendra Fadnavis, just after facing a crushing defeat in the BEST Cooperative Society polls, not winning a single out of the 21 seats which were up for grabs, what does this also indicate? I want you to be with us, but let's also listen into how Eknath Shinde is taking a jibe at the Thackeray cousins.
इथं बॅलेटवर झाली, आता इथं काय म्हणणार? जिथे ईव्हीएम वर शंका घेतात, जेव्हा ते लोकसभा जिंकतात, इतर राज्याच्या निवडणुका जिंकतात, तेव्हा ईव्हीएम चांगलं असतं. निवडणूक आयोग चांगला असतो आणि जेव्हा हरतात तेव्हाच ईव्हीएम खराब, मग तिथं निवडणूक आयोगाला दोष देणं. आता तर ह्या निवडणुका बीएसटीच्या कुठल्या होत्या, त्या तर बॅलेट पेपरवर होत्या. मग आता काय म्हणणार, बॅलेट पेपरवर काय आरोप करणार. त्यामुळे शेवटी हे महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनतेने ठरवलेलं आहे. बिलकुल यामध्ये महायुतीने जे केलेलं काम आहे त्याची पोचपावती विधानसभेत आम्हाला दिली. 232 आमच्या लाडक्या बहिणींनी एवढा मजबूत त्यांना खऱ्या अर्थाने की जे काही त्यांनी योजनेत खोडा घालण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, पण लाडक्या बहिणींनी 232चा मजबूत जोडा दाखवला. कारण 232 आमदार आले. आतापर्यंत कधी 232 आमदार महाराष्ट्रात आले नव्हते. त्यामुळे विकासाला महत्त्व प्राधान्य दिलेलं आहे, कामाची पोचपावती दिलेली आहे आणि यापुढे येणाऱ्या निवडणुकांमध्ये देखील जनता कामाची पोचपावती देईल आणि विजय मिळेल.